Hello everyone, welcome back to the next sharing video. In this video, I will answer a question from a student. They asked why, when they open the die pattern, there are these purple lines, and if there is a way to hide them, or is there a way to delete them? So let me explain to you. These purple lines are actually the old lines, the lines that existed before you edited the pattern or before you developed the pattern. If you want to hide them, you can right-click on an empty area and select Check Line. You just need to click on the Show Check Line option and then you can hide them. And if you want to delete them, then you need to click Show Check Line so you can see them. After that, click on Check Line and you'll see a command below called Clear Check Line. Click on it and all the purple lines will be deleted. Some of you have also asked why after making edits. As you can see, there is no old line being displayed on the screen anymore. This means that the previous old line is no longer being saved by the system. So here is exactly what you need to do. If you truly want to display the old line again, you will need to manually check this track line option. However, if you decide to leave it unchecked, then when you make your edits, the old line will never appear at all. Only when you right-click and check the check line option will your current edits retain the old line. If you find my video helpful today, please subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye for now, and I will see you in the next sharing videos.